Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Hooks. It's Tracy and I'm going to show you some of my latest acquisitions. Some of these are quite new to me. I've never used them before myself, and so I look forward to having a little go with them. Not all of them obviously, but some of them. Now I did mention on my last acquisition video that I did buy another one of these, which was tulip, and it had the silver feathers. So that was this particular order. And there's rather a lot of these. So I won't show every single one of them to you because that would be a little on the boring side. But they are these Chalgu Tunisian crochet hooks in various sizes. They're the ones with the, you can get them so that they've just got a cable with a ball on the end, or you can get them where they're two-ended, and these ones are the two-ended. So I did get a fair old amount of different sizes of these. So these are the Tunisian crochet hooks that I got from Chalgu, and they're kind of nice. Let's just have a more up close look at one of them. They've got these really nice kind of ends and they're well polished. So that's those, a bamboo obviously. So that was those. I do have another brand of Tunisian hook that I'm looking at stocking. So what else did I get? Well, intriguingly, I'll show you those in a minute. I also got some more single tulip hooks. So these are the tulip gold, the kind of soft grip Etimos. So I got these, and they're individual. I know they're in packs of 3, but that's just how they come in. But those are the individual hooks. So I did get a fair few of these ones. These came in a massive consignment of kind of accessories. One thing I'm quite intrigued by, so these are those ones, the very first tulips that were around. Try not to get the light on them, but those are in nice little plastic cases, so nice and protected. And then I've got these. Now I know there are lots of people who love these. Which one has been opened? So because they are. Now I haven't used these myself. I've been wanting to, and I will review them because I got a few, and that is furls. I got some furls. So we've got, on the one hand, we've got kind of these, and on the other we've got bamboos, and then right up the other end of the scale we've got furls. So I had a good feel of the furls because, you know, the criticisms that people had said over the time when I've seen reviews is that they've not been smooth and they've had things to catch. These are lovely and smooth. So yeah, that's my my kind of little indulgence. I also know that there's not that many places that stock them over here. Now, one thing that really struck me, and that is obviously a big hook. I think it's a 12. Let's have a look. It's a bit dark. Well, that's actually an 8. They're heavy. So that's the one thing that I thought of. They are actually pretty heavy to hold, but they do feel nice, I have to say, in your hand. I've got a bamboo furl somewhere which I've never used, but up until that point it was the only one that I was willing to pay for. But you know, as a stockist, I'm starting to think of things that will appeal to different people and what people might want. Again, another gigantic hook, but they are quite a size, quite heavy, no matter what one you're looking at. So there's a one that's not quite as massive, but still it's got quite a big sort of handle. They're those ergonomic. They do feel absolutely lovely to the touch, but then for the price you pay, they want to, don't they, really? I'll make sure I put these in the right box. Maybe I'll do that in a minute. I'll put them there for now. Keep them apart so they don't rub together. That's it. Put them there, and I'll show you the rest of my acquisitions. So I got some diamond painting. Now this one is sunflowers, as you can see, but I got quite a few diamond painting. I got poppies. I love this one. The poppies is gorgeous. I also got a big fat cat, because we all love our big fat cats. We do. If we don't, we love our big fat dogs. And this one's called a Russian blue. Beautiful cat. Look at that. They're not all cats. And then I got some cross stitch. This is a cushion. Really nice. They're kind of copies of famous paintings. Another cushion, cross stitch. And then we go on to cats again, but this kind. Oh, I don't know if you can see him very well. Yeah, so this is a big cross stitch, this one. It's all sealed up, and so you know that it's never been opened. Let's bring the box a bit closer. Not so that it falls on the floor though. That's fair. So this one as well. Isn't that beautiful? That's a diamond painting. And they look lovely once it's completed. Might even have to take it up, you know. And then we've got a chicken cross stitch. This one's called Bagheera because he's panther. We've got cat and sewing machine and a kitty cat guarding the castle. It's difficult to see. We've got pandas. Gemma loves a panda, so I thought I'd get some pandas. Not for Gemma, but. And on the farm, the piglets. I don't know if you can see it all because I can't see what's in front of my face there. And that brings me, oh no, one more, little Diddy Panda. Brings me to my other bits. Now they're all the same, so I can put that back and show you in a second. This, I've been talking about this on my chat this morning because it was quite something that, box is over there guys, on my stall, which I'm yet to finish covering. So yeah, I'll put these in there. It's right at the side of me now. There we go. We'll move those over. So yes, diamond paintings and cross stitch. I thought I'd put it away then. And this contraption. It's an Icord Knitter. Well, crocheter actually, because if you look, if you can see in there with a glare, you probably can't. But inside this, no, don't think you can. Inside here are hooks, and as you turn this handle, it catches your yarn, and out the bottom comes your I-cord, which you can either just create a long cord for tie-in or whatever, or you can actually make stuff with it. But this is an I-cord knitter, and I've got a few of these. They just intrigued me when I saw it. I thought, wow, I quite fancy playing with that. But whether I will, as I was saying on my chat this morning, on my rocks chat, quite often I think, oh, I really want one of those. I really want one of those. And then I never touch it. I have oval knitting looms. I have round knitting looms. Never been out the cellophane packet. I also have an Addy knitting machine that I tried once and never touched again. So that was fairly expensive. So that just shows me that it's just, I want to try it, but not necessarily forever. So I think I would use this more, to be honest with you, for when you're going to make a tie, you know, sort of things to, but you get the little hook tool that you need, and isn't that fabulous? So that's my other little acquisition. So that brings me completely up to date with you guys. You've seen, I think, more or less everything I've got. Maybe some of the stuff that I've just put in without showing you, but mostly that's where I'm at so far. Still to come, I've got some Chalgoo stuff, and some more yarns, and what else? Can't remember now, but I need to buy more storage as well. So boxes, that is. Although I do have some that Gary has donated to me, so that'll be for these sort of things. So what do you think? Yeah, kind of into the diamond painting or the cross stitch. I have branched out into a few other crafts as well, which are already on my site, and we're getting there. We're getting quite into it now. A lot of the finalising of styling and creating of multiple products with different sizes and things like that are getting done at the moment, and the shipping. And then once I'm done, I will be ready to kind of launch. So it's getting there. We're still a way off because it's a massive undertaking. Some sites are very easy to do. They're just yarn, or they're just selling dog food, or they're just selling this. Some don't even have to worry about shipping, they deliver. So things like that are easier because there's less dynamics involved, whereas my site, there's quite a lot. But we're getting there. We are. It is quite a big site, and it's quite a big task, but it's very exciting. It's an adventure and a headache sometimes for me, especially I'm finding at the moment. I might need to go get my eyes tested because I'm getting quite a lot of headaches when looking at screens. So I think that's probably that and the stress of life. So yeah, what do you think? Do you like it? Would you use an Icord knitter? I took the bubble wrap off of this one, A, to show you guys, and B, with a view of keeping it. I don't know whether to or not. I've been very good though, you know, when things have arrived, I've thought, no, they're not for you, they're for your shop, and leave them alone. So I have done that, with the exception of some tulip red hooks, which I did actually buy for myself. The rest I've all put in the inventory. Just not sure about this one. Because there's something I wanted to make with a cord. Intriguing? So I don't know, maybe I will give it a whirl. Got to be able to demonstrate these things as well, haven't you? I'm talking myself into it, aren't I? Anyway, thank you for watching. Stay safe, everyone. Take care. Let me know what you think. And if you think there's anything else that I've not thought of stocking that you might like to see. I mean, obviously I can't do every single craft, but some of my wholesale places, they do have latch hook. I did a bit of that when I was younger. Fibres went up my nose too much though for my allergies, so I had to stop doing that. But yeah, there's lots of others to choose from, and I'll stop fiddling. Sorry, that must be really annoying. So thank you for watching. As I said, stay safe, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.